This is a video tutorial for the Happy Days reusable hand warmers. You will need 100% cotton fabric, some whole wheat, and what I found really useful is a funnel. And because we're using the hand warmer in the microwave, you'll also need 100% cotton thread. For each hand warmer, you'll need 2 pieces of cotton fabric. Place them right sides together, so pretty side to pretty side, and line up all the edges. And then add some clips. I've added my clips and I've also added my gap sign to remind me to leave a gap. It doesn't really matter where you put the gap sign. Now I'm going to take it over to the sewing machine, and starting at the gap sign, I'm going to sew carefully all the way around. I'm using 100% cotton thread in my machine. I'm using 1/4 inch seam allowance for this project. I've sewn all the way around using 1/4 inch seam allowance, and I've remembered to leave my gap at the bottom, and I've also snipped the 4 corners, and it's through this gap I'm going to turn it the right way out. I've turned it the right way out, and I've pushed out all 4 corners, and I've folded in the raw edges and pressed. I'm now going to add my wheat. If you haven't got a funnel, use a spoon, but I'm going to use my funnel, and I'm going to fill it 3/4 full. I've added my wheat and it's about 3/4 full, and now I'm going to carefully pull the 2 sides together and add some clips. I've added my clips, and I'm now going to take it over to my sewing machine, and I'm going to add my zipper foot so I can get in nice and close and sew all the way across. I've sewn all the way across, and that's my first hand warmer done, and I'm going to repeat the whole process for the other one. And that's your Happy Days hand warmers all finished.